Welcome back to another tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be creating a YouTube thumbnail. So what I'll do is I'll come to templates and you can search it from over here, or you can just come over here and type in YouTube thumbnail, but I already have it here. And then you will receive all these free templates. So remember, some are free and others will require you to upgrade to the pro version. Now we can just scroll through and look for one you want to work with. I want to work with this one, so I'll select it, click on customize, and then I can start customizing. So first I'm just going to change this wordings here. I want to teach people on how to be YouTubers, so it will be how to become a YouTuber. I'll leave it at that. What next thing, I'll remove this image. So come to elements and search camera recording, or it's just search recording photos. Let's see what we've got. You can see we already have really nice photos. This one that we can work with, you can just scroll and look for a good one. I love this one, so I'll just place it in here. And you can resize it like so, and you can just go into data. But I really love using frames because it sets it in place. So just move this over here and the elements, scroll all the way down to frames, and then from over here let's just choose one. This will work really well. So let's just place it here and resize that. Now I can place my photo in there, and it looks really good. It looks much better than it did in the beginning. And I'll just come again into elements and search for a YouTube icon. So you can see YouTube icon, YouTube logo. Let's click here and you have all this to work with. So I'll just select this one. Let's resize that. I'm just going to place this over here. There we go. And now we've customized this to our own requirements. Now with the background color, you can always come over here and change it. So I want to work with a gradient. You can see the work with a gradient. You can always choose to use a solid color. So you can come over here and pick one that will work for you. This one looks really good. So with that selected, you can see how beautiful this is. Now you can go ahead and add more details. Maybe you're launching a new class, or the time where the class will be taking place, or you can just leave it as simply as that. But basically that's how you create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva.